So there are some signs you can look towards to see if your child is struggling during this divorce or child custody process. One thing I like to say is you know your children better than anyone else. So if you have a feeling that your children are struggling emotionally, listen to your gut. You're gonna know your children best. Some other signs could be information from their schools, maybe they're acting out more in school, or maybe their grades aren't going as well as they should be. Those are some signs you can definitely look for to see if your children are struggling through this process. How much you tell your kids about the divorce really depends on a few factors. You need to think about your children's age, their emotional capacity, what you think they can handle with how much you should talk to them about the divorce. While the actual case is going on, they should not be involved in any information about the litigation process or what's going on in court specifically. You need to keep that away from your children. The courts want that to be an adult conversation, not a conversation with the children. It's very important to support your children's relationship with both parents. Some ways you can do that is encourage your children to have open communication with the other parent, encourage them to spend time with the other parent, make sure that you're not talking badly about the other parent, make sure that you're working as best as you can with the other parent in decision-making powers for the child to show that you guys are still a united front for your children. During this process, your children are going to feel a lot of emotions. There's a lot of big changes in their lives. One key tool to deal with your children's emotions during this process is to attend therapy, either family therapy, individual therapy, or a combination, to make sure that the children feel heard in their emotions and that everyone's really communicating through this process. So after your divorce, your whole life is changing, but you have to keep in mind your children's life are also changing. So it's important to try to keep stability for your children and try and keep them in their same routine to make sure that they feel safe during all these big changes in their life. You might have questions about how to help your children thrive after a divorce. You can call our office for a consultation and we can help out.